keeps things smooth. It's like body lotion, but for your car.
Unlike lotion, there's no time for trial and error with your engine. So choose the right one.
Park on a flat surface and turn off your engine. Wait for at least 5 minutes for things to cool down and for oil to flow back into the sump.
Open the bonnet.
Remove the oil dipstick, then wipe with a clean cloth. Dip the clean stick in, remove, then check oil level while holding the dipstick down.
Below the minimum. Top up with Volkswagen genuine oil.
Unsure, head to a Volkswagen dealer for assistance.
That's right.
Slick like oil.
Oil flowing through the water.
Stay in the game with our car care tips. Visit vw.co.za for more.